Hi guys, so this is again backend phase 1 day 3. The topics I'm going to talk about is to learn how advanced backend, and I'm going to teach you full backend from the scratch without even providing the code. If you want full description of the notes which I have make with the help of Cloud Code and every other tools, so I can share you in the end of the 60th day. Okay, now, so today's video is the backend phase 1 day 3. I'm going to tell you have to learn on HTTP, HTTPS, like what is DNS, how DNS works, what is URL, and what is fetch, what is put. And you have to basically know that how URL work under the hood. If you're going to type any URL into the website, or you can go another routes, what happening, this is all the theory knowledge, because phase 1 is always about learning, not implementing, because phase 1 is like a Python writing scripts. You have to write clean code. You have to write clean code and simple sophisticated code is like a poetry, a simple and concise words. Okay, and then you have to know about data structure and algorithms. I'm not saying that you have to be perfect in DSA, but you have to be like in the level of DSA where you can actually solve your problems and solve your problems by your own. I'm not saying that you don't took help from any AI or any models, NLP models, any chatbot, but you have to do the learning as well. Because in data structure algorithm, as far as I know, you have to be in like arrays everywhere, and you have to be in hash map, binary search trees. At least you have the knowledge to how to write this and how to say conventionally about this. Because if you are talking to a backend guy and asking about algorithms, talking about algorithms and what are happening under the hood and how the searching thing actually works, this is good, this is crazy. So this is the thing. So you have to focus on how URL works, how things gonna be after changing something, like on a DNS servers, what are servers and how they actually work, what are scalings. Like it's a basic system designing things, but it is very core in your backend program or backend journey. And computer networks also, what are the TCP and what are the whole IP layer, IPv4, what is IPv6. This is the very basic. If you want to grow in 2026 or 2027, this is the very scratch, this is very scratch. Don't say that it's not a time of 2018 and 2019 that you can have a simple of knowledge.